Ever feel like a hamster on a wheel when it comes to money? You work hard, get that paycheck, pay the bills, maybe even sock some away, but then something pops up, drains your savings, and you're back to square one. Frustrating, right? This is where budgeting comes in. Maybe you've heard of YNAB, You Need a Budget. It's a fantastic system that helps you take control of your finances, ditch the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, and finally achieve your financial goals. But here's the thing, YNAB doesn't require a fancy savings account. In fact, it kind of flips the traditional script on how you think about saving. So, the question is, do you actually need a dedicated savings account for YNAB to work? Let's dive in and explore the YNAB approach to savings, bust some myths, and see how you can make it work for you, regardless of your current account setup. YNAB, budgeting for the future, today. At its core, YNAB is about proactive budgeting. It's not about tracking where your money went last month, but about giving every dollar a job before the month even starts. You assign your income to specific categories: rent, groceries, car payment, you name it. This includes your savings goals, whether it's a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or that rainy day emergency fund. Here's the key: when you budget for a savings goal in YNAB, you're essentially telling yourself, this money is already spent. It's off limits for everyday expenses. This mindset shift is powerful. It removes the temptation to dip into your savings on a whim and keeps you focused on your long-term goals. The myth of the dedicated savings account. So, where does a savings account fit into this equation? Traditionally, we've been told to keep our spending money separate from our savings. There's a logic to it. Having that physical barrier can help prevent impulsive spending. But YNAB takes a different approach. Here's why a dedicated savings account isn't necessarily required for YNAB. YNAB is about function, not location. In YNAB, it's the assigned purpose of your money that matters, not where it physically sits. You can have one checking account with multiple subcategories for spending and saving. Flexibility is key. Life happens. Unexpected expenses pop up. With YNAB, you have the flexibility to move money around between categories if needed. Maybe you budgeted a little too much for groceries this month but undershot on gas. No problem, simply adjust your allocations to make it work. Focus on progress, not process. YNAB isn't about micromanaging every transaction. It's about seeing progress towards your goals. Whether your savings are in a separate account or tucked away in a specific category within your checking account, you can still track your progress and celebrate milestones. Making YNAB work for you. Now, this doesn't mean a dedicated savings account is completely useless. Here are some scenarios where it might be beneficial. High-interest accounts. If you have a savings account with a high interest rate, it can be a good incentive to keep your emergency fund or long-term savings separate. The extra interest adds up over time. Peace of mind. Some people simply prefer the physical separation of their spending and savings. Having a dedicated account can provide a sense of security and make it easier to resist the urge to dip into those funds. Ultimately, the choice is yours. YNAB works with or without a dedicated savings account. The important thing is to find a system that works for you, helps you stay motivated, and ultimately puts you in control of your financial future. YNAB beyond the basics. This video just scratched the surface of what YNAB can do. It offers tons of features to help you on your budgeting journey, like reconciliation tools. Ensure your budget reflects reality by easily reconciling your accounts. Goal tracking. See your progress towards specific goals and stay motivated. Debt payoff plans. Create a plan to eliminate debt faster. Embrace the change. If you're looking for a way to break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and finally achieve your financial goals, YNAB is a powerful tool. Don't let the question of traditional savings accounts hold you back. Give YNAB a try, embrace the philosophy of proactive budgeting, and watch your financial future take shape. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.